Good morning, everyone. This is Howard from Avtransfers UK saying howdy. It's been a while since I've posted. It's just been a really, thankfully, busy time. And I thought I would tell you my tale of woe. My tale of woe. I was busy doing a job for a client, which happens from time to time, of 1-inch tapes, and on the literally last tape I was running, the tape was very sticky and went round the head, and after recovering the tape I had found that it had taken a big chunk of the head with it, and despite every attempt to try and get a good video from this machine after that, just wasn't possible. 1-inch tape uses a single head to produce the entire picture. It does a full sweep of the tape, so there aren't even two heads. There's literally one head on that drum that's playing back. So I had to go on a quest across the world to find a replacement head, because not only was it a difficult to find spare from the 80s, I guess, but it's an NTSC machine, an added level of complication. So stay tuned and let's find out what happened. So this story gets very long, and I don't want to make it too long and boring for all you guys, but essentially this is the machine. This is a machine I got a couple of years ago. I guess it's a bit of a gamble. I thought, I've got a PEL machine. Let me see if I can get an NTSC machine, because obviously they're not swappable. The machines are too different. The heads are different and all sorts of things. So you need to have one of each. And these are not exactly small machines. At weighing at about 75 kilos, they're not small. So this is the head that's in question. We cleaned it. But one of these heads, this is the play head, is knackered. So it's only producing about half of the video we need. It's only coming up to about 3 here. I was hoping for just a faulty transistor or capacitor, something like that. But alas, when my sort of buddy, who's a really good techie on these things, had a look at it, he said, no, he twiddled around in here. He said, no, that head is toast. I took a look under the microscope and same story. It's toast. Not that I can obviously see what's wrong with it, but so I had to go on a hunt for heads. Now, if you're a fishing person or a fisherman, a fisher person, when you're trying to catch a bunch of fish, you might put a few rods of tackle into the water, and that's kind of what I did. I looked across the world, from Japan to the States to Canada, to try and find a head. The first head I found was from a gentleman in the US, and I balked a bit because the head was the only head I could find. This is, that's just fallen on the floor. This is a Head Tech DMR17. That's the model for this particular machine, and I got that. I balked because it was about $3,000, which is not exactly a cheap item to buy. And so ready and waiting. Now, the person that's repairing the machine for me also found a head in the States for a couple of $100, but it's not a refurbished head. This is a fully refurbished, guaranteed, basically new head. So I didn't want to rush my buddy, so I just said,